do it now. I should be recording, guys. I should. I don't know, but I hope so. So let's just play some Teardown for a little bit. My game's gonna lag a little bit because my PC got a little. I don't know what happened to it. It's just it runs good, but it lags for a couple seconds when I tear down. Once I do something really good, bad, it will what would rockin' do? Yep, I'm saying rockin'. It would probably freeze or crash or run 1 frame per second. But I don't do that anything really insane on this, so. But over maybe 5 years ago, so it doesn't run that good. But low FPS, only realtors. Yo, let me get low FPS right there. I definitely went down stuff with that. Well, I don't like you. Get away from my house. Don't worry, he's gonna be okay. Okay, this is my home. The door's not supposed to do that. So I just moved into here, but it's not horrible. But I don't like it, so I'm gonna move out soon. So I'm gonna make this a mess. Every home in this world comes with a bed, so and then so give me a second. I'm a cool man. Cool man. Oh yeah. I don't like that bed. I wanna find a better cutter. Ow. Ew. Man, I'm playing me some Minecraft. I don't think Minecraft have guns, but in this mod, it does. We have all these different kind of weapons. Oh man. How could you fail on me? You get up. This is the home I decided to buy. You open the door. Move. This is my home. I don't want it if you were in it. But move cactus. Let me just make me a staircase. Okay. This is my little pets. Let me just move my keyboard for a little bit so I can move my mouse a little bit. Where's the door at? Put your hands up. This is not your home. Get your. Okay, you making me this much force on a little guy with now no arms. But this it was my home the whole time. Had cows, y'all my friends. You get away from a door. You get over it. You get over it. Get over it. Hehe. Hungry. It looks like the fields are dead. I gotta break the rest of the meat off. Got your turn. Don't worry, it's like a Lego game kinda not. Because you can do this game instead of Lego. So YouTube, don't take me down because this is just a game. Okay, villager, come here. I don't like you. I get a gun. Come on. Cannonball. Yeah. I'll be perfectly fine. Nope. Oh gonna take you to the top of the border. I don't even see where I'm at anymore. Oh no. Okay, I'm at the bottom. Not him though. I need to save him. I gotta save him though. It's not your home. Your home is up here. Oh damn. Okay, you can't do that what you did like that. You can't do. Well, his home is not up here anymore. He just got bad. Okay, let me hurry up and one down. I want to see if this will do damage. I don't think it will because the guy fucking flipping did this to the ground, but oh, there's he. There it T. You did not take that much damage like I thought you would. There's no water over here. Yeah, there's nothing here. But I think he went past the border. Man, my foot is gone. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it all! Your turn to be cool, man. Cool, man. Oh! What did I do? Did I do it? I didn't go through. Just for that one. That one's a nah. For 20 bucks, it's actually a good game like that. That was right. No, my buddy. My friend. No, he's on fire. No, my best buddy. Are you gonna burn too quick? Yeah, my best buddy, friendly. AKA friend, I don't know what to call him. My best buddy, Red God. Hey, we're a good buddy. That hurt my ears a little bit. This is cool. It's just right down the middle of a cactus, kinda. You would never guess it a hole there. You could just put your small stuff in there. So let me just put the hole down. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. Peace, guys.